Grammarly. First off, this made me laugh because if you pull up the Grammarly extension for VS Code, and I'll show it here for those viewing this on video, the description just says, this extension brings Grammarly to VS Code. That's it. Everything else is configuration. It doesn't even tell you what Grammarly is. It just assumes, like, you know.
Haven't you seen the ads?
And so for those of you that don't know, Grammarly is a tool to, like a communication assistance tool. It uses, now they're calling it AI-enabled services to help you choose the words in your prose. It works in Markdown, in text files. I think they have an HTML preview as well. So it can help your writing. I've used it occasionally, but I usually ignore it because I just focus too much to see the pop-ups that it's putting on me. But yeah, so Grammarly, VS Code, great to get those readmes written just the way you want.
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.